This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web, great pricing and customer service. Contract the discount once signed up with an account. Link in description below.
Morning, guys. It is November 27th, day before Thanksgiving. I got a call from this guy. He's got a two-family house, a couple of gas boilers in there. One for first, one for second. The reason they do that is they got separate gas meters. This way the tenant pays for the gas. But anyway, one of his units, I've worked on them before. One of his units isn't heating, so I'm gonna go over there and meet him. See if we get it going for the guy. I've worked for him before, I know the guy. Try to get you some shots. And let's call him. Does she got gas? Does she pay her gas bill?
Yeah.
You say yeah.
I would imagine.
Don't assume.
What about the water heater? Does she got?
It's just to hit the heating.
Oh, it's all, well, you said the pilot's on, right?
Yeah, the pilot's on.
Okay.
Down here.
Yeah, the pilot's on.
Okay.
But she got no heat upstairs.
I know.
It's
I
calling.
thought this was the one that we fooled around with when you came last time. I thought it was this one. I could be wrong.
Circulator's running. We'll have to check, see if we got gas. Yeah, that's what the Molex plug was right there.
Was it this one that we fooled around with Steve last night?
Yep.
I thought so. This one just picked up?
Just moved that Molex plug over a little bit.
And that's what it was?
Yep.
Yeah, because I remember you talking about
Oh, there it goes. It's burning up now. Look at that sucker.
She might come over and I'll show you what to do.
Okay.
See this right here?
Yeah. That's right. You was fooling around with it.
I might have fooled it with it and put a pull tie on it or something.
You did.
Looks like that's loose. Somebody might have come by and hit the cover or something. It might be inside the control. As long as it's firing, you're good, right?
Right, yeah, of course.
I'll put the cover on there, and I'll put the cover on and I'll tighten it so it doesn't go on all the way, so nobody can play with it.
Okay.
I mean, you want to change the control and the wiring harness, or you want to let it go, as long as it's working, right?
As long as it's working.
That's what I thought.
That was a rhetorical question.
Well, you gotta ask, right?
Right, boy.
Everybody.
He might be Big Daddy Warbucks, you know?
Steve, maybe after the holidays, I can get you over here to do that.
Oh, you're gonna need a new control and a new Molex plug. New Molex,
Right.
Well, at least you know what to bring, right? You don't have to troubleshoot that one. You know what you got to do.
Either that or sometimes you can leave these open and put a bypass plug in there, but I didn't have one last time, I don't think. I think we left it on bypass, didn't we?
Yeah, we did.
Did we leave it on bypass?
We did.
Let me see if I got a plug for it. I might have a plug for it now. Where's all the lights down here, I mean?
I don't know. You know something?
Yeah.
I got a box. I got a Tupperware full of bulb things. I'm forgetting to bring it
There's a bulb right here.
over from my house.
You want me to get a bulb from upstairs and put in here or no?
Yeah, let me see. I don't know if that's good stuff.
Yeah, I got one right here.
There's a light switch. There's a...
I got one right here, a bypass plug. Let's see if it works. We'll try it. I didn't have one last time I was here.
Right.
And your cheap ass didn't want to change the control. Right?
Yeah.
Let's see what we can do here. I mean, because we got that thing bypass open, right?
Yeah.
Let's see if it stays open. Yeah, see, it's staying open, so we'll try the bypass plug on there, and we'll see this way. We'll see if it's what the deal is. Yeah, you got a bum leg, you might as well just hang it up.
Yeah, come down and visit me in Maryland.
Yeah, listen to
You can go down to Georgia and watch Linda work if we renovate.
No.
You can watch your sister tear down walls.
It's not working. That one's not working, that bypass plug.
won't work.
I know. I usually do. I don't know. Must be in the control then.
So all we need is that little small plug you got there, right?
Well, no, I tried it. It didn't work.
Yeah, it didn't work.
So it's probably... But you see, that's what you need to know where that is. That's that little white Molex plug. If you have if this is out, see how that's out?
Right.
It's calling, and if it's not firing and the pilot's on, just move that around a little bit. I mean, really should change the control in this harness that goes up to here.
Oh.
Either that, or we could just take it out, put a new control in, and it comes with a bypass plug. We could bypass it and just leave that open. That would be the easiest way. But you want to leave it for now?
Yeah, we'll leave it for now, and then after the holidays, can I get you?
Yeah, we'll get a new get a new gas control for it. I mean, that's what I did last time I was here, right?
Right.
Same thing. All right, so it's running, and I tightened it up so the cover don't go on all the way. But I'm thinking, you're gonna need a new control guy.
So just take a look at what you're gonna need.
Yeah, I know what I need.
Don't touch that thing either.
You know, but there's no.
At least she's got heat.
Nobody goes that, but she got.
I mean, I did that a year ago?
Just to go upstairs, and there's a light. Why would she come over?
Yeah, why would she come over here? What if she brought a grandkid now?
Well, she's got a 9-year-old, and she's.
All right, move Molex plug connection and main operating control. So it's running, should be fine.
See if you get over there and do the plumbing. It's
coming up.
You do toilets and all that stuff right there.
Yeah, as long as it's clean.
Well, it's all brand new stuff.
Yeah,
I'm making it right from scratch.
Look at that. It's all cattywampus. That's ready.
Another hose like that.
Wow, look at that. That thing's ready to blow, guy. See it? Shit, looks like my ex-girlfriend. Oh, look at that thing.
I hate to ask what part of her.
Look at that thing. It's really bad. Can you see it? No? It's all puffed.
Yeah, it looks like cellulite.
Cellulite.
Yeah, it looks like cellulite on them. Look at the thighs on
Shit.
her. She got cellulite all over them thighs.
Yeah, she's getting ready to blow.
Looks like one of Warren's girlfriends.
Yeah, I know it.
Yeah, so you're gonna get new hoses, guy? I mean, it's
Yeah, I've got that.
that's something you don't want to wait on. I mean, that thing will blow and flood your house. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Yeehaw. Yeah, you don't get to see them too often like that, getting ready to blow before they blow. Wow. Yeah, looks like cellulite. Run your hand over that thing.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah,
You're gonna get new hoses, guy. I mean, like right away.
yeah, I got it, like I said.
Like today or tomorrow. I mean, because what's gonna happen is that thing's gonna let loose, and then you're gonna have a garden hose running down in your cellar down here. You think you're gonna bad knee now? It'd be really
What? I
good.
don't see a drain in the floor.
Look at the antennas go. Look at the antennas. Look at them. Oh man. Give it the old vibration treatment. Oh, holy shit. He attacked me.